All right, here's the professional single hung window. It's the 5000 series. The few components to change here. You have the block and tackle balancers, plus you have the cam lock, plus you have the keeper of the cam lock. To remove the cam lock, there's 2 screws. To remove them, counterclockwise. Open the lock up, remove the lock. To replace the lock, it's best to put the lock back into place. Line it up to the previous holes that you had in there. Replace the screws. Make sure you get them into the same existing holes. Place the other screw. Tighten. Now both screws are tightened. You can close it, the lock will lock in. Now the lock's locked. That's how you remove the cam lock. Okay, to replace the cam lock keeper, which is back here, you have to remove the operator panel. Decompress the clips inward. Open the window. Okay, after the pins have been opened up, lift the window up, all the way up as far as you can. Lift the window, push the window inward towards the jamb. Pull inward towards you, remove the operator panel. Then to remove the keeper, you have 2 screws. It's also adjustable. If it's not locking, you just have to loosen it up. And you can move it side to side to adjust for locking. But to remove it, you have to remove the screws. Again, counterclockwise. Remove the first screw. Remove the second screw. Okay, remove the screw. So you have both screws. Remove the keeper. To replace the keeper, the tongue is towards the inside. Put your keeper down. Replace your screws. Tighten. Make sure it's in the middle of the slot. It's probably the best spot to have it. Replace your other screw. Again, tighten. Now you're ready to replace your operator panel. Okay, to replace the sash after the keeper has been adjusted or been replaced. Up position, push the window into the jam pocket, move it inward, move it over so it engages, locks on to the block and tackle. You bring the window down, press your clips inward to lock. Now the window is able to operate in its full position. Close the window, lock your lock. And that's how you replace the cam lock and the keeper on the professional 5000 single hung. Now we're going to show you how to replace the block and tackle. Again, you have to remove your operator panel. So you have to press your clips inward, your upper clip inward, open the window to the upper position till it disengages, all the way up, lift into the jam pocket, pull inward, remove your operator panel. Set your operator panel down. Then you have your block and tackle. You want to press it downward, pressing the spring. Be careful to hold on to it. Lift up. The spring will lift out. Now the spring is out. You can replace it. Again, it's the same as the Builder Series, which you have a number in front. It tells you your length. It tells you a number in back. That means your weight. It's very important that when you're replacing it or reordering them, that you give us this number so you have the right tension. To replace it, again, you have a pin right here. It goes into the square slot, goes inward, press down, push in, and lock it under the clip. That clip will hold it in place. Now you're ready to replace the operator panel. Push into the jam pocket at the very up position, into the jam pocket, swing it inward, bring it down, make sure it's engaged to both block and tackles. Operate it down, decompress your clips inward. Again, we showed you that earlier. That allows the window to open in its up position. Shut the window, lock your cam lock. Now you have replaced your balance, your block and tackle.